Hey guys, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and today I want to talk to you about opportunities. Opportunities is a very important tool of AirChatty CRM because you can segment the stages where a potential client find themselves into. So let's say you have a client that is a lead and he just signed up through one of your forms and you haven't sold anything to this client, so for now he's in the first stage. Then maybe the second stage, you send them some emails or you contacted them, you want to move them into a next stage, and so on until you close that client. Well, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna share my screen with you right now. And in AirChatty CRM, when you go to opportunities right here, we already talked about pipelines. Go and watch that video before this one if you don't know how to create a pipelines. But the pipelines, just a quick recap, it's basically the source, the destination where you want to save these opportunities. So think of opportunities like potential clients that will become customers, and think of pipelines, the buckets where you want to categorize these potential clients. So in here, in opportunities right now, we have the pipeline selected as sales. If I want a different pipeline, let's say the support one, I am going to select it here. And then there you go, we only have 3 stages for these opportunities, okay, like open, working on, and completed. And for sales, we have lead, contacted, offered, negotiated, and closed, right? So very simple. If I click new here, let's say I have Michael Smith, which is my client. So let's call it Axel Klein. We actually have an email like this, Mr. Axel Klein, gmail.com, his email. Maybe his phone number is plus whatever one. Okay. Does he have a tag? A potential tag would be, I don't know, the bot leads, okay, yeah, or whatever tags you can think of adding for your particular needs. And then company name, Axel Ltd, whatever, opportunity name. So what are we selling them? So let's say we're selling them a chatbot. Yeah, sales is a lead, it's open, and potentially the chatbot we're selling them is £600. And this opportunity is actually Alex is the owner, and the opportunity source, let's say it's coming from friends, okay, a friend of mine send them to me. They're saying something is wrong here, invalid phone number, whatever. Let's not put any phone number now, okay? And then click add. No, before clicking add, let's say we have 2 more tabs at the top here. We have book, update, appointment, and tasks. We can straight on choose a calendar, one of our multiple calendars, let's say discovery call, yeah, and we're gonna pick the date. Let's say we want tomorrow, the day after tomorrow at 10 a.m. to have a call with them. And this is meeting location. I can paste in a Zoom link or a Teams link, a meet team, whatever, or I can just say phone. Appointment title will be discovery. Yeah, and then if I want to ask, if I want to add a task as well for this particular opportunity, I can do it straight from here, which I'm not gonna do. I'm just gonna leave it like this and click add. Okay, so right now we have we have an opportunity with chatbot. Okay, chatbot, which is an opportunity managed by AJ, by me, by Alex Jax, and it has a tag, and it's coming from friends, and this opportunity has worth around £600. Okay, so if I click on it, I'm going to see all the details. Okay, now if let's say I talked to them, the meeting, I already done that meeting. Okay, let's look in the calendar. So which calendar? The calendar was, if I recall, there you go. You can see my call with Axel Klein. Yeah, it's confirmed because I've confirmed it automatically. I can see more details about this. It's on opportunities page. It came from opportunity stage. Yeah? But let's go back to opportunities, and let's say I'd already talked to them. It's the 19th, and I can move it to contacted. Okay, so now in this stage, probably the client is still thinking of something, or I'm preparing the offer for them, so I sent the offer. Okay, now every single time I move it, look, we have £600 in this stage. Okay, so let's say I have another one of £1,000 as a lead and move it to contacted. Each stage will show the total of potential opportunities, that if you have 10, it's gonna sum up the the potential gains you're gonna make from those opportunities. Is gonna sum up at the top, and you will see them. Let's say I've offered them and we are negotiating now. I'm receiving emails I'm sorry, from the client. I'm negotiating with them. It's closed. I sold them the bot. I said I move it to closed. And this is how simple it is to actually track every single deal that you have with clients and opportunities that you have with clients. You can create these manually, or you can actually automate all this system. And we will talk about we will give you some more examples of automations along the way with tutorials. But picture this: the client comes through a form, be it a Facebook form for which AirChatty CRM has native integration, or the client comes through a website form. He shows desire in a particular product, and then the automation automatically adds them to as opportunities. The automation automatically adds them into an email campaign where the client starts to receive emails and so on, and pretty much moves the client through particular stages. If you want that to happen as well, this is possible. But the simpler way is just to manually add them. Whether you have a team of experts that is doing this, like salespeople, or you're doing it yourself, you can manage this. Okay, and then right on the card, as you can see, you have a chat icon here. If you click on that one, you can send the client an email straight away from here. Okay, so you can choose a subject. Obviously you're going to put your default email address in here, then just send an email. We go back, we also have task. Yeah, we can add the particular task right now, right here, and say, hey, don't forget to send the contract or whatever by that date. Okay, you can also add some notes this specific opportunity. At the top here, you also have a download button. You can see this one. This will export all your opportunities, and you will have them in a CSV file for Excel, so you can see them there. Also, you have additional info that you can show in the tab, so you can, for example, hide tags, and I have hidden the tag in there. Okay, or you can hide the sign tool. We don't want to see AJ in there. Maybe I want to show the calendar event. There you go. We have a calendar event on 19th at 10 a.m. Or maybe I want to show the tasks. If I had any tasks, I would see some tasks here as well. So it's very friendly, and you can also search for anything that you want in here. You can sort by open, won, lost, or abandoned opportunities, and you can sort by owner and also by campaign, okay, depending on what type of campaign you set for that particular opportunity. And you can go in, select time, date and time, and go back and see all the opportunities that you've added 7 days ago or 30 days ago, or I don't know, anytime you want. Okay. Right now, I think this is all that you need to know for the moment regarding opportunities. Hopefully we're gonna have time to create some automations with opportunities, and I think we will do this in the future. But for now, this is how simple it is to actually you know, move opportunities through different stages. Oh, and you also have an option here. There you go. Put it in lost or won. So lost, it just is gone. Okay, if I go here, lost, I can see it, I lost it. Okay, or you win it, just drag it won, and that's it. Or you just leave it in closed, and it's closed. Right, thank you very much for giving your time to watch this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.